Okay viewers, welcome back. It's Tony from ThinTanks with a 500 litre ThinTank in front of me. What I'm going to demonstrate to you in this video is how we can use the face of the ThinTank to put a vertical garden. What I've done so far, I've already put in what we call a ThinPot Adaptor hook. I've put in the top 2 rows, but what I'll do now is I'll show you how I put them into the tank. To do that, I first of all need to remove the little caps that cover the crosswall connector, and basically with a pair of pliers or a pair of multi-grips pull out each one of those in that fashion. Okay, so do the next one. Loosen it up on one side, grab the other side, give it a pull, and then finally you pull it out. And the last one, the third one for this row, same process. Okay, so there we go. I now have all of these little crosswall connector plugs pulled out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the bottom row with 3 of these. So this part goes into the cavity and you bang it in until the bottom part here sits firmly against the tank, and then basically there's a hook at the front which we use to connect the 13mm poly pipe, which can be used purely to hang the thin pots off of, or can be used to irrigate the thin pots as well. Okay, so what I do is with a rubber mallet, a piece of timber. This one happens to be a tongue and groove type piece of timber, so it comes in handy to just hit there so I don't break that little support on the hook. But it's basically to belt this in without using something too destructive to damage the front face of it. So basically you've also then got to make sure that this hook is basically horizontal, so that when you put the poly pipe in, so you get one part in, grab your piece of timber, firm knock, and as you see, once it goes in, it's going in quite firm, and that little half round at the bottom, this little bit here, sits firmly against the surface of the tank. So we'll do the next one. Again, set it up so it's roughly horizontal. There we go, it's another one. And third and last one for the bottom row. So there we are. We now have installed 3 rows of thin pot connectors ready to transform the face of your 500 litre ThinTank.